This plastic folding crate is a commonly used logistics turnover box that is neat, beautiful, and easy to operate. It can be easily folded, which significantly saves storage and transportation space. The bottom has a grid design and is matched with the cover, which is anti-skid and anti-fall, and stacking is worry-free. The lids snap together freely without being stuck, and with a lock, the stability is better. The lid can also be equipped with a one-time sealing strip, coated lock, etc. The dense rib design increases the strength and load-bearing capacity of the box. The logo can be printed on the upper frame. Card holders can be installed on the side to add labels. The box body is designed with a full pen shaft, which is more solid. Partially damaged parts can be replaced. There are latches inside, and the movement of multi-layered goods is more stable. The plastic crate adopts an all-plastic design, which is environmentally friendly and reusable.